Hello everybody and welcome to an episode of how I make my thumbnails. Let's get started, shall we? I just want to point out that I will only use my Android phone to make this thumbnail. In this case I will use my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So what I want to do first is that I want to find a really good background to work with. And in this case I'm watching a video on YouTube on split fiction, and I really think that this would be a perfect background for my thumbnail. This video is not in 16:9 aspect ratio, so what I need to do first is that I need to crop it to its right size. What I need to do next is to use a little bit of magic, the object eraser, to delete objects that I don't want to be in the picture. Now I need this picture to get to its right aspect ratio, and for that I will use Pixelcut. I really like this mech here, so what I want to do is I want to cut it out and save it as a separate picture.
Your guns.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so what now? Move. Oh.
I really like these two characters here. That's why I'm gonna do the same to them as I did to the robot. When that is done, it's time to create a good looking title for my thumbnail. And for that, I'm using Gemini. Just write a prompt. In this case, make a picture of a 3D text that says level 4 in neon lights. And just like with the robot, I need to cut it out. And after all of that is done, it's time to create the thumbnail. There we go, all done. Well, I did make some changes. I wasn't really happy with the result. Here is the finished thumbnail. And if you watched this video all the way to the end, I want to say thank you so much. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done that. And please feel free to tell me what you think in the comments. And I hope to see you in my next video. Take care.